Hi guys, hope you don't mind. I picked a sunnier room so that way hopefully you can see me a little bit better. Also, I don't know if I told you when we were in class or not, but I have a baby. He'll be 9 months old tomorrow, and he is in his jumper down here next to me. So you're going to hear him making some noise and moving around. He's just hanging out saying hi. All right, so Thursday we started chapter 9, lesson 2, and we read pages 401 through 403. We discussed electric currents and how they flow, conductors, insulators, and then we briefly discussed a circuit. And remember, I used the flashlight to describe the circuit and an open circuit and a closed circuit. If you don't quite remember open circuit and closed circuit, I want you to go back and I want you to rewatch that video because it's really going to help you understand today's lesson. And then if you still have questions, I want you to message Mrs. Law. She'll message me, I'll message you back. Okay? Today we're going to read 404 and 405, types of circuits. All right, so let's start up at the top where it says types of circuits. I'm going to read it out loud, and just like we do in class, if I stop, I want you to say the next word. A circuit has many parts. Its energy source provides the energy to move electric charges through its wires. Batteries and electrical outlets are energy. A circuit also has resistors, such as light bulbs or machines. Resistors transform energy into other forms of energy. They use the energy that flows through the circuit. A circuit may also have a switch. Remember our switch on our flashlight that opened and closed that circuit and it made our flashlight turn on and off? The symbols below are used to represent the parts of a circuit. On page 404, there's a way better drawing than the one that I gave you on Thursday. I'm just not that artistic, so I had to do something simple. And this one's going to show you the switch, the energy source, and the resistors. Give you a better idea of what you're looking at in a circuit. Okay, series circuit. One type of circuit is called a series circuit. In a series circuit, electric charge can flow in only one circular path. When the power source is turned on, the charged particles in the wire flow in one direction around a single loop. Any break in the loop, such as a burned out bulb or missing bulb, stops the current from flowing. So this is where if you get, have you ever seen the Christmas lights? Mom and dad or grandma and grandpa or whoever had the Christmas lights and there's one bulb burned out and they have to go through and search and find the one bulb that's burned out so that way they can fix it. That's going to be a series circuit. So once it hits that one break, nothing after it's going to work. All right, page 405, parallel circuits. Another type of circuit is a parallel circuit. A parallel circuit has two or more paths through which electric charges may flow. Each path leaves from the power source and returns to it. The current that flows through one path does not have to flow through the other paths. Therefore, if one loop in the circuit is broken, the current will still flow through the other loops. Now, if you look down here in your picture on page 405, it's going to show you a parallel circuit. And do you see how there's wires going to both sides? So this first light bulb is burned out, but that's not stopping the energy from getting to the second and third light bulb. That is a parallel circuit. And it's showing you a picture of Christmas lights over here. Most Christmas lights nowadays don't burn out anymore. If you lose one light bulb, it's going to be a parallel circuit and it's going to keep going to the other light bulbs. So mom and dad, grandma, grandpa, aunt and uncle, they don't have to go find that one missing light bulb and try to fix their string of Christmas lights. Okay, that's it. Pretty easy for today. I want you to take a brain break. Just take a break. Go back and rewatch those Thursday's video. If you need a little help, rewatch this one if you need to. Make sure you understand. And then when you come back, we're going to answer questions 7 and 8, and I'm going to give you your homework. Bye. See you in a minute.